Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here and really kind of just make an overall statement because from a presentation standpoint, not really much else I can talk about right now until something happens. And as I said in the past, and I just want to redefine, well, how are you saying something happens? That's just a broad statement. And that's the cool thing about charts. You can quantify and assign numbers to broad statements such as something happens. So as a quick kind of, I guess, summary for those of you that maybe this is the first video, basically there are two channels right now that are taking place. We have the inner channel and the outer channel. If you want to look at this as like an onion, you have the inner layer of the onion and then the outer level. But this inner level here is right here, the channel, with the bottom of the channel being 18 cents. You can see a history of holding there at 18 cents. And then the top of the channel up there at 21.5 cents, 22 cents, whatever you want to call it, which you can see right there, quite a bit of price history right around that area. And right now the price is just simply stuck between this channel right here. So something happening, well, something happening from, the big picture perspective would either be a breakout or a breakdown. Breakdown being the price heads down through 18 cents. A breakout being the price is able to push up here through that 21.5 cent level right around 22. Call it whatever you want. Let's just call it 22 cents. So the price getting up through 22 cents. But really until then, not much to say from a big picture perspective. Now, sure, if you are a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, this is a great area for you. Just flip it up and down, back and forth, back and forth. It's like a little playground for you. But from, again, grand scheme of things, not much else to say other than the price is stuck in the channel right now and going sideways. So I am not planning on doing any sort of updates in the future as far as a video perspective until something happens, and I've defined now what something happened, is defined at, because there's really not much else I can say. And, just price is going sideways, and, that just, gets boring after a while. So as it stands right now, price is stuck in a channel, that inner channel, which again, top of the level being 22 cents, bottom of the level of support being at 18 cents. So we'll just have to sit back and wait and see until something happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.